Well, hello. How's it going? Ugh. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-ba. Indy did it. Good for you. You got it. Take me away. How come it's not showing the video? Oh. Weird. You did it. Oh, you have an iPad. Nice. Somebody just gave it to you? That's pretty short. Let's see here. I need to change the text. Building WordPress game engine. I can't spell tonight. Take me away. Yo. Do that. Do that. Why is the water gone? Use it. iPads are pretty handy, you know, if you want to watch videos in bed and if you want to play random mobile games. Bigger. Take this off me. Let's fly. Hey, Game Doodle, what up, man? Back to old times of streaming. Yeah, no. Fridays, I always stream a little later. I let the kids stay up a little bit later on the weekends, like an hour later. So, I get to streaming a little later. So, I just started like a couple minutes ago. You have a keyboard attachment for it? Oh, nice. Makes it look like a laptop. Yeah, and that's really handy, man. Showing just emails, browse the web. Can't do anything serious on it, but it's pretty helpful. Yeah, Ming. Speaking of Game Doodle, check it out. New merch. This is the new Orbem order. Full logo. And then on the back, I can't tell if you can see that, but yeah. We got the full icon. Yeah. This is an option for one of the 5 winners of the 200 subscriber giveaway. You guys got 5 more days. And I'm not going to lie, turnout is much better than last year. Being that Game Doodle was the only entry. But, yeah. There's actually over 5 people already that have entered, so there will be losers this time, unfortunately. And not just, you know, the normal people who are losers. Alrighty. So we were. Yeah, man, you already got yours. Yeah. So we made some cool music for the game yesterday. I don't know if you caught that. I forget. Game Doodle. I don't know. So many people came in and out. So if we restart, we can hear the new music. So this plays now in Foresight. When you're walking around, you just got fired. It's not super happy moment. And you're at work, so it's kind of lame. No, it's not everybody who's subbed. It's... Oh. Kojo. You're entered. Did you subbed after January 6th? By the way, how's it going, Kojo? How you doing? Yeah, I think this song came out pretty good. I have decided I want to change the talking, though. Now that I kind of have, like, a soundscape built in, it just doesn't feel like it fits the vibe I'm going for. What's this game called? It's Orbem Explore. It's based off of my book series, the Harmonian Chronicles. That's Orbem and Miropelia. Oop. You can't remember when you subbed? It was pretty recently? Oh, okay. So, yeah. Yeah, if you're one of the subbed, I'll make sure to note you down, though, just in case your sub doesn't show up. It doesn't always show up. And I will be reaching out with usernames if I don't have a way of contacting you guys directly for the winners. And then we have one more. We have one more here. Song that we created yesterday. Now you're in the CEO's office. It's a little more intense. He's kind of manically pacing back and forth. And he wants to talk to you in secret. So, now you're going to talk to him. He's going to tell you his big, spiel. And then he's going to be like, you're going to Cyrus, buddy. Thyrus. And this one I screwed up, so don't pay attention. I put the wrong song. So now I've been writing a new song. Yeah, it's one's a little bit more like intense mystery kind of setting. I knew she'd be both excited and horrified by your project. Who? Oh, also, you've got a friend who's building a game engine in Python. Oh, for links to my YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, she'll be horrified. You telling me you're building a game engine in PHP? Wait, you're building a game engine in WordPress using PHP? Python programmers are freaking out. Oh, for sure. Yeah. So here's what I have going for Thyrus. Now, setting the scene for Thyrus after I look at this video, because oh my god, this is not good. Hold on. Oh, there's no sound? What the hell? Oh, the earrings. What are those paintings? I like them. They're kind of cool. Alright, stop making, like, horrifying things for me to look at. Jeez. Yes, I am. Your CEO wants to talk to you privately, and it's never a good thing, yeah. So, now you're in Thyrus. It's a good thing. It's like a wonderland of technology. So, the song I'm trying to do something a little bit more uplifting. Yeah, exactly. WordPress is definitely an entirely different game. It's not just PHP. It's not like I like got Laravel and I did something super intense. Um, this is super rough. This is like there's going to be a million more layers, but I'm going for triumphant adventure. And it's a celebration that you joined this new research facility. Yeah, that's about all I have. I've been working on what to do after that, but it's going to be a full score. So it'll be good. And it's going to be a little bit longer. I'll probably get into some more techier vibes too as the song goes along, because once you get through here and you get through here, now you're in like the research facility. Oh, did I not change the category yet? Blah. My bad. Let me do that real quick. Doom 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 doom. Ugh, I got my own song stuck in my head. What's new? Let's turn the music back on. What do we got? What do we got? Stream info. Category. Yes. Game development. So I'm going to go back to doing some game dev tonight. Honestly, I say this every night, but I was thinking about not streaming. And then I just did. So, yeah, just want to make some progress on the game. No biggie. All right. I got a category now. Yeah, it's got some good vibes. I'm definitely going to be doing some voiceovers during the cutscenes. You know, the cutscenes are going to be way more detailed videos, comic book style. You know, flashing between frames with voiceover, and I'll use actual lines from the book and stuff like that. So it'll be good. You open an alarm clock and now it looks like you have a bomb. What's your music production background? Do you play instruments? Are you doing all the production with computer stuff? I don't really know about music production. So, oh, okay. Yeah, well, I've been in bands off and on for years. All the music you hear in the background of the stream, like including this song playing right now, The Canonth, this is actually based off of the book series. These are all my songs. So I was a singer, piano player, keyboards, and I've done a lot of my own recording, so I've gotten pretty good with like GarageBand, just normal DAW stuff. And I just got a MIDI keyboard, which, you know, I've been playing piano for a long time, so it's allowing me to create music from scratch, even though I can't play guitar, which would make things a lot easier to write cooler music. But I leave that to the professionals. So yeah, that's kind of my background. I've just been in music for a really long time. And why not make stuff on the computer? And yeah, I have a lot of good 8-bit music style stuff too that I can use on this. So for some of the more gamey parts, mini game parts, and there's actually going to be 4 different songs within Thyrus here, because it goes to Bylon, the restaurant, which will be a little bit more jazzy or smooth, you know, like a piano player playing. And then we have my condo that I run into, and that one is kind of like a dojo. You have your kendo and sword, so I'll probably do some Asian inspired stuff. And then we have the boss fight. So the boss fight's gonna be great, and I'll do some intense boss fight music. And then yeah, that's kind of the demo of the entire game. So now we're just kind of working on the tutorial explainer stuff. I pretty much have all the other logistics created, and then we get to replace all these assets with real assets. So that should be fun. Yeah. This does kind of bring all of my skills together, because I'm a WordPress programmer by trade. You know, that's what I been doing for 16 years. So I'm a website programmer. So this is built on a website using the framework that I know the best. And then, you know, I did graphic design for a long time, high volume photo retouching. So I can do all my own graphics, and I can do all the music and yeah, and the game stuff. All full circle. And I wrote the book series that this is about. So it's really easy for me to bring the story into it. And I know where I'm going. So that's easy. And this is just going to be Orbem. We haven't even gone to Miropelia yet. Same with book 3, which I'm currently writing right now. And it is going pretty well. I'm up to 5,744 words. I keep like writing like a sentence every other day. I'll get there. I know everybody's waiting on bated breath to see how this series ends. Yeah, right, exactly. 100. Alright, let me see. Oh god, it's weird how he's changing every second. I'm not into it, man. No thank you. The AI stuff is so freaking creepy. Alright, we have to restart the game, because I gotta get the explainer shit working. And I don't mind hearing that song over and over a little bit, so. It's better than my old game music. That was pretty lame. Just a repeat of an arpeggio. Okay, so the trigger is here. We actually need to do something about that. Yeah, sure. I want you to do everything. I'm an old, so I have to start getting ready for bed. Ah, that's alright. Hey, thanks, Kojo, for hanging out, though, man. Yeah. And stay tuned. If I don't talk to you before the 15th, you know, you might get your own set of Orbem and Miropelia books and some merch. So that'll be fun. And thanks for jumping in. Catch you in the next one. Yeah, I like the song too. And I was like thinking about it all day. I was just like, how do I want, what vibe am I going for? And I was kind of, I'm trying to think of the song that inspired it. Oh, it was a song that I used for a cartoon. My animation. It was actually this one. I could bring it up. Where is it? Agimation Studios. Where do I not have that my own shit? This one.
When it was the right time for my wife.
I'll show you. This is actually. It'll probably give the same vibes. Not that one. It's. So this is my cartoon, and right here. Right here. Not here, but the sad part that's coming up.
Then what happened? Well, I left.
Okay, right here. The guitar, I mean the piano.
That's rough,
You know?
man. It's okay. I'm sure he was kidding.
I was like, I was thinking about that. It's kind of like sad, just piano part. Yeah. Gave him the same vibe. I might as well have written that one too. I did not though. That was just like a royalty-free song. Alright, let's look at this video you're talking about. Because Indy only comes to my streams to make me watch videos. That is his sole purpose. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Why is there a tiger? Wait, what comments are in it? I confused by your tiger video. Yeah, you gotta get your Twitch stuff back, man. Oh, is it? Yeah. YouTube's a little laggy. Oh. The comment in the... Oh. Didn't... I think Seashell gave a comment on that. I should probably subscribe to this so I can keep track of it. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, Seashell just copied he copied his comment from, or his review from the book, and he changed it. What were we doing? Oh yeah. Yeah, that was fine. So we get explainer. Oh, we have a warning. Why? What did you do? Undefined array, key side, 1535. What did I do? Oh, that's right. I think I was getting the arrow logic working. Let's see if we can do that real quick, which is actually in explainer HTML. Okay, this one here. So yeah, this needs to exist. Obviously, side doesn't exist. Wait, what is the point of this? Oh yeah. Oh, right. I think we'll default it to top, and then we'll default this one to right. What the tiger video is, you put in a prompt, the tiger starts coming after him and children. And children. Just in general. There were just some random kids in that one. Yes, it is always true. That's correct. Because of this. So let's actually do this. We don't need this. Okay. Alright, that should be good now. We got our styling. Let's double check that side is working. Explainer. Here's the trigger, that's good. Here's the actual sign. Oh, here's the arrow. Top. What? Wait, why is it? Oh. Side. Right. And then here I did explainer top. Explainer left. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, wrong one. This one. Oh, orientation. Oh, did I get this opposite? My bad. Right. Top. How come you rated that Bishop guy last night? I thought you didn't like him. Quantarium. Did I? I thought I, Oh yeah, I don't. I like what he's working on though. But I don't like his attitude about his like game development. He built a Roblox game but he doesn't like Roblox. I don't know. I mean, I get just making things to make money, but it just kind of I don't know. Just sometimes listening to some people and hearing how they respond and how they talk to people just kind of irks me. But I did like what he was working on. He was creating his own game engine that had like web capabilities, and it seemed pretty cool what he was doing. No, because I remember he was working on it, and I mentioned, oh hey, I just played this game called Wacky World with my daughter on Roblox, and he's like, Wacky World. It's like, oh, he's like, wow, I don't know anything on Roblox, blah 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 blah. And he started going into like how how like he didn't know Roblox games, and I don't know. It just seemed a little weird to me. But eh. No hate. He's still, you know, I can still watch him. It's just like if I have other options and what they're doing doesn't seem interesting to me, I'd rather not raid them. But yeah, last night he was pretty much the only one, and he was I thought what he was working on was kind of cool, and he was good. You know, he used to play his games like a year ago before I knew he was streaming. Oh, nice. Yeah, which is cool. Like that's why I started following him in the first place, because I thought it was cool that he had a you know, a prolific Roblox game. Okay, this should be fine now. Okay. I forgot I need to add some extra styling. It's called explainer container. Explainer container. Didn't I already do this? Yeah. It's absolute now. Oh, maybe I didn't. NVM use level 14 dot. NVM run build shash. Yeah, I mean, maybe he likes some Roblox games. I don't know. I can't speak for him. But that was the gist he gave me when I mentioned Roblox or playing it myself. Okay, what just happened? Oh, weird. I've played Donut Tycoon and Coffee Tycoon. Oh, maybe it was pizza. No, I think it was coffee. No. I played not Tycoon. They were Tycoon style games. I played the one that said something about your mom or something about your dad. You know, the one where they think like you can't do it. I forget what that's called. Prove mom wrong or something. Prove dad wrong. Those are pretty fun. I get kind of sucked into that. But then life goes on. Alright, and boop. Why are you not working, you piece of shit? Okay, hold on. Let's find out what's going on. So this is absolute. Oh, that's a trigger. So this is absolute. This. Oh. Whoops. I'm kind of adding things. I need to add it to the image too. Image. Position absolute. There we go. That should help. You know what? I'm going to pause the music for now. Ho-ho! You know what time it is. So you're going to have to reread this part of the book. I don't remember it being this somber, more anxious, and a little fun. You're the golden boy, so even in the office, it felt more like a buddy boss. Well, the beginning of the book, you lost your job. So you're fired. And it even says like a tear rolls down his face. You know what I mean? While he's looking at a custodian worker scraping his name off his lab door. So he's kind of bummed. But then he, you know, once he talks to the boss, it kind of changes. You're fired. Yes, that's a Habla Jabba reference. I wrote the book before that came out, but I now made it that reference. So, and then you talk to the boss, and that's when things kind of change. You're like, what the fuck's going on? And then you like say, fuck it, I'm gonna go fuck around and look at other people's stuff. So, like, I can't fit all that into this one interaction, so I'm just making the whole beginning kind of be somber until you get to the office, and then it's gonna be like a intense mystery. Speaking of mystery, What happened to the mystery of Scotch time? Ooh, you know what time it is. It's Scotch time. Oh yeah. Don't forget it's Scotch time. That's right. We can't forget. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good stuff. Sorry. Tasting. Getting black licorice. Caramel. Yeah, it's a little weird. It's probably my mouth. Always get the ocean breeze. Nice briny peat. Hey! You want to see something that actually worked out? Check this out. Let's turn on the cam. If I can get it working. Oh, shit. Yep, that looks good. That little pause in between is actually doing pretty well. I like it. Alright. Obviously, this is not working. Let's try again. And go. No? Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera working. Try again. Go. You can't see the print? What print? Oh yeah, exactly. You didn't use your tilde, so I didn't know you were kidding. How do I get this to work again? Seems like I always have to add a new one, which is kind of annoying. Alright, remove. Because there's no way to, like, refresh this, which is weird. I'm not printing anything right now, but I want to show you what I did print. So, I'm trying to turn the cam on. Go. Where is it? Where'd you go? But it's refusing to connect. Am I on? Oh, I might be on the wrong Wi-Fi, maybe? Doot. Nah, I don't think it matters what Wi-Fi I'm on. Actually. Oh my god, now there's an ad. Alright, this is almost not worth it. But now I'm determined. I just hate it because it's not my normal phone. And I'm not used to using this. Oh, here we go. Now the shit changed. Let's change it. 255 and activate. No. You refuse, do you? Well, that's some bullshit. Let's try a brand new one then. New. Droid cam. New. 172.16.0.55. And go. No. It's just not working. Well, that's kind of shit. Okay. That is disappointing. I guess I'll have to figure that one out. It's the first time it's not working. Well, it's right here. If you can see where my hand's going. So this is the shelf. It actually finished. And it's printing fine. I mean, the print came out and it fit. And now it's on my wall holding up some tools. Which, yeah, you can pretty much see it, so. I thought that was pretty cool. I am going to post a video about it on my second channel, the Orbem Order Printing. Which, if you haven't subscribed to Orbem Order Printing, might as well. You can see here, I use the Firefox just for my Orbem Order printing videos. So if we go to your channel, see I have 5 videos right now. I'm trying to post like one printing video a day. And they're cool. It's kind of just time lapse. This is one of the products that I'm going to be selling. The portable laptop airflow optimizer, which will be cool in the future too when people want to see how the products are made. They can look back at these prints. And yeah. You might as well subscribe. That way you can see all the cool prints. Yeah, and like I said, I have trying to do like one a day. And I think, yeah. So I think tomorrow's probably going to be a fail print day. I have about 4 failed prints I'm going to put all together of my light switch shelf. Light switch plate shelf, but that should be fun. Alright, we need to get this work. Ah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. And it's okay. And then I think I have the styling right here. Yep. But now I forgot. Okay. I have to figure out how I want to do this. I could just take it out, but then it won't be referencing that. I think the problem is I don't know what the height and width are going to be. Oh, I guess I can just do negative what the height and width is going to be here. Oh, height's always auto. Shit. And then I'm not defining the width here. I'm just defining where it is. Okay, well, if it's always going to be... I should probably define the height and width. So the arrow is going to be right here. And we'll do width. It was a pretty good width, so I'll just do 120 and height 120. We'll make it a square. Okay. And then what we can do is now the orientation will be negative the width, so negative 120. Wait, which one's top? Orientation, yeah. Yeah, because then it'll be bottom, it'll be that way. Top, it'll be that way. Yeah. Correct. Let's give it like 10 pixel difference, though. Alright. One more. Explainer. And then trigger. There we go. Perfecto. Okay, now the other thing we need to do is rotate. So, in order to do rotate, I have to log out and log back in like a psychopath. I don't know why. It just makes me do that, and I don't feel like fixing it because I don't think it does that in production. Okay. So I added another thing called rotation degree. So this is just explore rotate, right? Oh, explore, explain, arrow, rotate. Okay. So in that case, we could take that. Where is it? This is rotation. Arrow style. Rotate. Default it to 0. And we'll do it like this. Dig. Because it's going to be an additional style. So, oh, I guess we can just do this. And then we'll add transform. Transform. Rotate. And then we'll add rotation. And that should work. So now we can rotate the arrow based off of the setting. And it should be 45 degrees. So we have to add DEG at the end. Okay. Let's see how this works. Doom-ba-doom. Explainer. And display. There we go. Like butter. Okay. Knowing this, though, we're going to have to move the box. Or should I make it like a legitimate right and left? Like on the corners? No. Maybe. I don't know. Because this could be negative 130. And then be legitimately at the top right corner. I just don't know if that looks better or not. Or if just 0. Let's try it like this, and let's actually move it in the right spot. You said, hey, Orbem, instead of, hey, Evan. Nice. He's like, I wish. Okay. You don't think it looks bad? Yeah, okay. I'm with you. I think it's, now that it's more placed in there, kind of feels like it's supposed to be there. So let's do this. 2081. 2081. And 3429. Now we'll have the complete correct. And then one more piece that's going to really set this off. We have to make it move. So we need to animate this. And I have to remember how to do that. Let's wing it. I mean, I could use JavaScript, animate, but I'd rather just use CSS. Which I think I'm doing on the... Oh, here we go. Animations. There we go. Oh, did he? Nice. Ooh, I look just like Buddy. Holy. So let's take the spin. No, not the spin. We just need it to move from to. Yeah, let's just do it like this. Like this. Okay, cool. I want to see it. Tell him to send it my way. And let's take the container image. Okay, so image. We're going to need to do this inside the image. So instead of rotate, we're going to... We have to move it based off of its position, though. So I might have to actually do this in JavaScript now that I think about it. Womp. Alright, that's fine. We'll just do it in JavaScript, because I have to do this based off of these settings. So based off of the style itself. Maybe I can put a data point in here that actually lets me know what's what. So where's the image? Right here. And we'll do data, orientation equals and we'll do orientation, and then we'll do the same thing for side. Data side. And we'll call this side. Okay. So now based off of this, we need to do some stuff. Explainer. Okay. Well, now we might as well do the triggering logic as well, which will work. First off, trigger. I have a lot of triggering logic here, so I want to just kind of tie into the same junk. So this is not it. This is not it. Your math teacher asked a question. You raised your hand and answered it and missed something. Like, my name got something wrong. Nice. And then they failed you. Be like, well, we had higher expectations. Get out. That's sad. Here we go. Yes, this is what I need. Yes, exactly. Trigger the triggy. And this is for cutscenes. If cutscene trigger. So let's do one for if explainer trigger. And this is going to be explainer trigger. Yeah, right? Oh. Dataset trigger. Wait, what? False. Oh. This is just for regular triggers. This is not cutscene. So wait, what about this one? Yeah, okay. So this one doesn't matter. Yeah, see, I only care about true. True contains explainer trigger. There we go. The question was, is all of this fractions? And it all was except for a while number at the top. What? Got it. Pay attention, bro. Okay. So how's this work? I forget. How am I doing this? I'm doing it like tap, tap, doop, tap. Oh, you. So explain a trigger. Okay, I do the triggy. Got it. And the triggy is the name, and then I need to do this to trigger this. Okay, got it. So it should be pretty similar to everything else I'm doing. Triggy, and then no, we're not doing that. All we're doing, oh yeah, we should do the, we'll do this, and false equals value.classlist contains already hit, because I do not want to keep triggering this. Perfecto. Triggy equals that plus explainer item. Alright. So, if triggy, then triggy dot class list add engage. That should be it. He sent the video. Where did he send? Oh, general? Oh, music. Hey, what is this? Is this seashell? No. Oh, yeah, Oklahoma. Yeah, we got a lot of snow right now here in Michigan, too. Alright, here we go. This is Kuzo's debut. Oh, shit. Everybody shut up.
Yeah, this is the body holiday room.
All right. I expected a little bit more, but I'm very happy that he's trying. And that is pretty damn good. I know that probably hurt his fingers because it hurt mine. Just seeing him do that. Alright, trigger's going to trig. And then let's also do value.classlist.add already hit. Cool. Good. Why? Okay. Yeah. So this should now make it pop up. At the same time, I need to start the arrow shit. So let's do const arrow, sure, which will be triggy dot query selector. Oops. And we'll do image. So this will be specific to the triggy. And if arrow exists, then we need to look at some things. So we need, based off of the orientation, if it's top and right, then we have to do some stuff. We need to adjust. So we'll do const transform point. This is basically if arrow data set dot orientation top equals and right equals arrow side, then we will make the transform point I guess we can just, we don't even need to do it like this. We can just do if that and just do a bunch of if statements maybe. And then we could do arrow dot style dot transform equals translate we'll do like 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Okay. And let's actually give the arrow some transition so that it does that shit. 0.3 ease out. Okay, so now things that happen to it will be a transition. Oh, I should do 0.3 seconds, not 0.3 milliseconds. That'll be too fast. Okay. So now this should do something. And then what we need to do is do a set timeout. Actually, a set interval. And we'll fix this later, but set interval, which is going to be pretty quick, I guess. He says, I hope you get 27 pancakes inside your laptop randomly with syrup on top of all of them. What? How dare he? So we'll do arrow, style, transform, back to 0. Which, technically, I'm going to have to do these in dueling set intervals. This will be interesting. So we'll do, this one will get set every 500. This one gets set every 1 second. Or I'll go the other way around. How about that? And then we'll actually do this. It'll start like this. You're an inventor of apple juice. Nice. I did not know that. Okay. Let's see if it works. Well, first let's get out of the way of the trigger. And go. Okay. So now when I trigger this, it should pop up and the arrow should be moving. Pay no attention to that. What did I do wrong? Hold on. Contains explainer trigger. Yeah. Oh, I kind of moved the explainer trigger. Oh shoot, I moved the trigger, not the damn thing. I'm an idiot. Why do you do the things you do? I don't think that was the problem, but this is annoying. So let's change this back to 2200. And I want this to be lower. Top should be... We'll do 3600. Okay. Try again. Go. Okay, I'm literally inside of it. And it doesn't appear to do shit. Okay. Hey, Petri official. You exist, Kuzo. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Am I not... Is this not the right area? Where am I? Yeah, this is my explore position. It's looking for... Oh, I did not add this to the list. My bad. Hold, please. That's why. Let's do explain. I guess I should just call it a map item too. Sure. I think that's what I've been doing. Alright, let's try that. And go. Aha! It worked. But it's blocking my path. Okay, well, that worked. But it's... the arrow's not moving. Map. That's me. That's not the trigger. Where's the explainer? You. Give me the arrow. Okay, you. Transform looks good. Oh shit, it's already transformed. Because I'm rotating it. Shite. Okay. So that means I need to take the current transform style and add to it. Arrow, which doesn't appear to be doing what I want. Triggy equals the item. Reading signs explainer item. And then the trigger reading signs. Okay, so that's working. Did I do it wrong? Explainer item. No, this is right. So Triggy is good. We already know that that's engaged. We got that. Now I'm trying to grab inside of it. I'm just trying to move it. I want to give it a little animation. The arrow pointing. But it needs to point in a specific direction. Based off of what orientation I chose for it. So I'm just trying to do this. So I need to do it in JavaScript, or otherwise I would just do an animate in CSS. I mean, I could still do animate and like swap between these two, I guess. Oh yeah, why don't I just do that? How do I do animate? I did it. I did it somewhere here. Where did I do that? I did like a little bit of animation. I guess maybe I got rid of it. Keyframes. No, I want to use like actual animate, the JavaScript animate. And I remember doing it somewhere. I just wanted to look at an example, but here, let's just look it up real quick. Yeah, it's called animate. And then you just kind of give it some keyframes. I need an easy example. Oh yeah, here we go. So this is basically what I need to do. And then I just do animate. Oh, you have to give timing too? I guess I don't need to, but... So let's do this. And then it's transform. Translate. And then translate back to 0. Apparently this is the most like efficient way of doing this. Move arrow. timing. And iteration, I think you can... Is it... I forget how to... What's forever? I think... Oh, infinity. That's what it is. Okay, and then we'll do... Animate the arrow. And this is move arrow. And arrow timing. That should work, and now I don't need these intervals anymore. Cool. If it works. But I have my doubts about the arrow selector itself. You learned Killing in the Name, a Sweater Song, Buddy Holly riff, and GTA San Andreas theme recently. Nice. Fantastic. You're going to need to help me with some guitar work on my recordings. Go. Trigger. Alright. So arrow is obviously not existing. Let's double check. This is what I think. Or is orientation and side not correct? That's possible. What do I have? My CSS looks great. Here. So oh, that's why I screwed up the HTML for the data sets. So here, data. Haha, I forgot to close you. And I forgot to close you. Okay. Now this is gonna work just for fun. Yay, it's animating. Though I got rid of my rotate. So what I need to do is make sure I add the current style into it as well. So we'll do this. Arrow style transform right here. Oh, and let's get rid of this too. We'll do this. Perfect. Perfect. Oh wait, no. This might screw it up actually. Oh. Yeah. Let's set it first. So, we'll do const rotate. There we go. There we go. Let's try that. You play guitar? No. I do's not. Not even a little bit. There we go. Rotate stays. Yeah, first try. We got fireworks. Okay. So that's not what I want. I want it to go this way. But it's just going up. Which... Why? Why are you just going up? Isn't this up and out? That's kind of weird, right? Let's double check that logic. So if I'm looking at, let's say, whatever. Reverse? Orbem, can I have the subscribe role in your server? Subscriber role? I don't know what that means. Because if I do transform, translate 1010, it's, oh, it's scooting down to the right. So I need to do -10. No. -10. Yeah. There we go. That's what I want. So this one actually needs to be -10. And then we need to go back. Wait, don't I have a transition? I do have a transition. So why is it popping on repeat? I think I need to set it back. Alright, let's try again. Now it's just going left and right. Oh wait, is it supposed to be -10 on both? No, no, no. That's right. What the fuck? What am I doing wrong here? Translate. Both. Why you do this? Can I have a guitarist role? Yes, you can have a guitarist role. Okay, how does animate work? Because it's not like actually changing anything. Definitely think this needs to be faster. Oh, I forgot. I'm using timing. That's why. So let's actually get rid of this transition. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, it's just moving along to X for some reason. Even though it's supposed to move both. But it only moves left and right. Let's change it to duration 1. Look at everything I sent in the memes channel. Oh my god. Let's check. Why do you do these things? Campfire cars. I like the thumbs up cat. That's creepy AF. Alright, go. Alright, well that's definitely getting better. Reverse one of the negative. Okay. I don't think that'll do anything. Well, it's definitely moving it down. That's weird. Transform, translate. Now it's going up and down. What am I... What is my brain missing? Why is it only seeing one translate? That doesn't make sense. I mean, I'm not mad at the up and down, I just want it to do both. What if I do negative on the first one? What'll that do? Yeah, it's like it only sees the negative. What am I missing here? Translate. Transform. Scale. Oh! Should I do that? Like in an array? Is that how you do it? Maybe that's why. I think this has to be in an array. I kind of feel like it has to be like transform. No, maybe not. I think it's only for range start and range end. Yeah, see, it's just doing normal. Animate with both X and Y translate change. Right. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Yes, this is what I'm trying to do. But that's what I'm doing though. Yeah, Deck Dude, I'm live. So this is correct. The -10. This is correct. Oh, your grandparents? Bummer, dude. Well, I'm about to cash out once this works. Alright, let me see what you posted in Discord. Where'd you put? Oh. Yeah, I don't want to use keyframe. I want to use animate. It's more performant. I need more translate. Alright, Deck Dude. Thanks for jumping on. Transform, translate, transform, translate. I just need to keep doing it. So you think I need to go harder? Is that what you're saying? Should I start with 0? 0, then go 10, 10, then 0. I feel like this is gonna be chaotic AF. Alright, let's try this. Now it's like going in a circle. It's kind of working at first. Yeah, so maybe if I let's just see what this does. Yeah, see, that first one definitely looks right. So what if we just do this? See what the hell this does. 10, 10, 9, 9. -10, -10. It's going down correctly, but needs to go back up. There we go. Yes. We did it. Thank you for the inspiration. I can't... There we go. Oh, yeah. 2 fireworks in one day. Let's go. And I could definitely move that rotation a little bit to make it even more, like, logical. Because I think if the rotation was more like... Oh, I forgot. That is kind of set. Let's try changing it to like 40 degrees. Yeah, just makes more sense now. I do like that it blocks me. I mean, I don't like that it blocks me, but I think it's kind of funny. Actually, I think... Is it the trigger that's blocking? Oh shit, the trigger is blocking me. It's not even the thingy. How do I avoid getting hit again? I think that's in the walking logic. Collision walls, here we go. Yeah, all these knots. Oh, see, not data trigger true. Okay. I need to add data trigger true to this shit. Right here. Data trigger true. Hopefully this doesn't break anything. But I should be able to walk through it now. Yep. There we go. Pretty cool. I like that I walk over it too, not under it. Like, I'm part of the text. Hey, look. Nice. A sign, huh? Hey, it worked. Now, if I could only figure out... Do I make it go away, or I just leave it up? Maybe I need another trigger that makes it go away. You know what I mean? Because if I have a trigger like right above it that actually makes it go away, like when I go past the point where like, oh, you should have already read it, but then I can make it show up again if I hit the trigger again. Like I should just like leave it, maybe. I don't know. And then I'm gonna need a setting in the settings that says turn off tutorials or whatever. Turn off explainer signs. That way, if you replay it, you don't need the signs again. Cool. Oh god, I'm stuck. Alright guys. That was great. We did it. We made a thing happen. Explainer is nice. Now all I have to do is program all the other directions. Top left, bottom right. And yeah, you should be able to just add the icon and any sort of arrow you want. Give it an OK button. Yeah, I could do that. I kind of forget sometimes that I'm on a actual computer where you can use the mouse. Yeah, why not? We'll just add, you know, a got it button that makes it go away. That way I don't have to come up with a whole new triggering system. And then maybe save that as something you've already said got it to. Yeah, I mean, I could just use, you know, shift or something also. Or another key to close it. Or maybe when you're on top of it. But I like the button idea. Makes more sense. Because it's the same thing that I do for the signs. Like, when they're open. Like, the only way to close a sign is to click on it. Because I think I was going to put an X button on it. Yeah, I could do that too, but this needs to be really, like, I could put it anywhere, and it could point to anything, so I don't want to do like 1,000 different points. So this needs to be more dynamic where anybody could put a sign anywhere for their game. So yeah, I don't want to put any specific triggers like that. But yeah, I think we're good, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Game Doodle, always a pleasure, my friend. And everybody who's jumped on throughout the YouTube Shorts live feed, thank you so much. I saw a buttload of people jumping in and out, so I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Anyone watching in the future, hey, how's it going? Come catch me live sometime. And don't forget, 4 more days. 4 more. Thank you, Game Doodle. I appreciate that. 4 more days to enter the 200 subscribers giveaway contest. So, come on. Do it if you haven't. Subscribe on YouTube. Tell me you subscribed. Follow me on Twitch. You don't have to tell me, I'll know. And or register on orbemortar.com/register. I'll be able to see all of that. So do it. And you got a chance of winning 2 free books, audiobook, ebook, or paperback, and your choice of 2 items of merch, also including the brand new Orbem Order accessories line that will be dropping on Amazon fucking whenever LegalZoom decides to register my business name, because they're taking their sweet time. But with that, I'll bid you guys a happy Saturday and enjoy your weekend, my friends. It's been a blast. Stay tuned for some more printing videos on the Orbem Order Printing YouTube channel. That is live, and I'm trying to post a video a day pretty much. So yeah, you want to rate somebody? I mean, we only have a couple. We don't really have anybody, but we can easily raid just to do so. Friday's always a fun raid. Let's see. Let us raid the one and only either Schmelly Orc or Sea Films. Should we do Sea Films? I mean, it's just gonna be Indian me. Sea Films it is. Let's go. He's got 2 viewers. Alright. Thanks, everybody. Catch you on the flip side. In 3, 2, 1. Raid.